Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to scan face for Bitmoji on Snapchat. So as you can see, I didn't create my Bitmoji avatar, but for those of you who did, you will need to unlink your avatar. So go for settings here and then make sure to find Bitmoji and then make sure to unlink your avatar before creating a new avatar and scanning your face for Bitmoji on Snapchat. So for us, we will go and we'll create an avatar. You can also do this on the first screen right here. You can create avatar right here. And then as you can see, you will be able to select a Bitmoji, right? Right now I'm scanning my face, and then you can select the option below to begin, right? Whether you want this, whether you want, obviously we need to keep our center face, but this is basically how to do it, right? This is how to scan face for Bitmoji on Snapchat, and then once you're done, you will be able to go and create a Bitmoji out of your face. So let's keep this, and yeah, this is basically how to do it, right? And then you can also skip it and you can create Bitmoji the way you want it, right? But we're going to exit out of it. So yeah, that's basically how to do it. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and I'll make sure to help you out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.